Hello everyone. So today I am demonstrating to you guys how we can create a donut chart in Tableau. Actually, by default, donut chart is not available in Tableau. However, pie chart is available. So for simple trick and tips, you can create a donut chart in Tableau. Similar we can see in other tools like Power BI and other BI tools. So first I have to create a measure which is 0. I called it 0 and its value is 0, right? So I have to drag this into column and similarly drag this column. Now in marks I have to go and select pi. You can see 2 pi here, right? Now for this pie chart and this pie chart we have a marks here. For example, for this I have a 0 and select this. If I increase the size, you can see it will impacting on this area rather than this area. Okay, let me scroll a bit more, and then I am going to use entire view to make it visibility clear. And now this chart is available and this pie is available in separate dual axis. So in 0 to which is actually now this 0 belongs to this marks, I have to change its color to white, right? And now what I'm going to do, because the dual axis, so I'm going to combine this dual axis into single. So here you can see I can also increase the size of inner, you can see. Okay, cool. And then what I am going to hide this 0 axis. Now what I am going to use, I can use for example I'm going to select all, and then for example my one of the measure is my, I'm going to use total hours. Okay, so on, because this is my inner side of donor chart is belong to sum of 0, so I am put some total hours in this inner chart, right? You can see it's now belong to this, and category with color. So you can see this that we have, but the one thing you notice that all the pie is distributed uh, you know in a quarter way, equal way. So this is not the true representation. So what I need to do, I am going to use again total hours and use in a pie. So now this show that my SCS, which is category, is has a more pie than others. Okay, and one thing you can see 0 is coming in a tooltips. So what we need to do, we have to go here tooltips and remove this 0, and okay, then you can see this is cool technique, right? So this is a technique you can create a donut chart in Tableau. I hope you like this video. Thank you.